With the advent of HTML5, we now have the ability to really break apart our structure of our HTML code. So within this ability, we have this ability to do sectioning. So one of the sections that we can do is article. And this helps us break out and section off the different code. So article can be used in a number of different ways to split up and represent different areas of your code. So within article, we can have a section, and we can have several sections within an article. And again, this all depends on how you want to structure your HTML code. So these don't actually provide any additional functionality, these tags. They're just more for breaking apart and having a more cleaner structure and a more readable structure within HTML. Within each one of these elements, we also have the ability to add headers and footers. So again, we've got these new HTML headers where we can add in a header over here. And we can also do headings within the foot, and we could do footers. So we could do a footer here as well. So just at the bottom. So again, this just makes it more readable for others that are coming in to use your code, to look at the code, and it makes it more readable. So all we're doing here, really, it's not really applying any kind of additional styling to it, and really there's not much else happening. They're essentially divs, and it's the same thing with any of the other tags, that it's just creating these different breakdown points of what we can use the code for. And we can see here that this heading actually got separated out. So if we do a heading and a footer within this section, we can see when we refresh it, they are taking up that whole line of code. So it is functioning the same way as a div would, where it is this kind of block code that's taking up that whole line. More commonly, again, you might see this navigation. So nav, it indicates that this is our navigation bar. And again, in itself, it's not really doing a whole lot, but it is helping us structure out and be able to better understand what each one of these sections or areas or code blocks is meant for.